Hi guys! We're foraging and urban farming. And this week, no, the last couple of weeks, me and girls been cleaning out beds and is this level? Hey, it's looking alright. Anyway, me and girls been cleaning out beds. And look, I got a birthday present. I got a birthday present. 'Cause my birthday's Monday. And everyone should celebrate. So, me and girl put most of that together. Although, this side over here, oops, sorry, earthquake. This side over here we put together wrong. But we figured it out and fixed it this morning. And then Larry went and put the center braces in. And attached the middles. Yeah, so it's done. And that is a 4x8 raised bed. And I plan on putting a lot of goat poop and chicken poops and wood chip and cardboard in the bottom. And then, okay, coming back over this way. Where? There it is. That. We're digging up that bed. That bed right there. And it's going to go in the top for, well, of course we'll probably have to amend it some too, but yeah. Digging it out. Digging it out. We're digging it out. And we're putting it on top of this bed right here. Because this bed is mostly weeded and ready to plant. But we haven't really broke it up. It's real compacted. So, figure we pile the soil here. Move the bed in place, get it level where we want it, and then we'll put the soil back in. It's going to be a process. Because I'm excited to have like your rocks back for decorative purposes. We can just de-level your rocks.
See the compost.
Oh.
You did shit.
It just fell off.
Don't worry about the looser shit at the bottom and come back with flat tip shovel and get it out.
Know what I mean, Vern? Yeah, I'm not good.